In this video, I will show you how to transfer from Robinhood crypto wallet over to crypto.com. So first of all, open up your crypto.com app, and then from here, navigate to the home tab and click on something that's saying deposit. And once you do that, you need to click on deposit crypto in here. And from here, you need to select the crypto that you want to transfer. So I'm just going with Bitcoin in this tutorial. So I'm going to select Bitcoin, and here you have BTC, and then you can select the network again. And I'm just going to select the BTC network, and that is also the default one for this transfer, but some crypto assets have different networks. It is really important that you match the network on your Robinhood crypto wallet and crypto.com, because otherwise your crypto might get lost in the transfer. So I'm just going with BTC, and then I will have my wallet address for this BTC network. So I'm going to copy this to my clipboard, and I can already see that the estimated arrival time will be around 20 minutes. So now just open our Robinhood crypto wallet, and then from here we can just go ahead and click on send. And here we can select the crypto that we want to transfer, and in my case that is Bitcoin, and down below I see BTC, and this means that the network is going to be BTC for this transfer. So I'm going to click on Bitcoin, and after that I'm going to click on enter address down below, and now I can just paste in this wallet address that we just got from crypto.com, and now I'm going to click on continue, and now you can enter an amount that you want to transfer. So let's say you want to transfer something like $2, and you're going to click on review. And then in here, you will see all of the details of this transaction. So you can see the Robinhood fee, the estimated fees, and stuff like that. And if you want to finalize this transfer, you're going to click on submit down below. And then you need to verify this with your identification method. And after that, your transfer will be processed and your balance will be updated after it's confirmed. So let's go ahead and click on done and open our crypto.com app right now. So now we just need to wait in order for our transfer to be completed and visible in crypto.com. And we could already see in the beginning that this should take around 20 minutes. So if you're transferring crypto, it will mostly take up to an hour. And after that, everything will be visible in your account. So this is how we do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I'll see you in the next one.